Second opinion. Hi, I have a Toro Personal Pace self-propelled, 20,332, lawn mower that is surging. It was running, which sound is up and down. Although I cleaned the carburetor, changed new air filter, replaced spark plug and oil changed. As well, put new gas on it. Also changed the governor springs. But it is still the same as surging. What should I do by now? Thanks.
What's the make and model of the mower? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
It is a Toro Personal Pace lawn mower by the Briggs and Stratton engine, and the number is 4216B1090111259.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, I will. In view of I am working as a volunteer to serve the seniors in the community and therefore, not allowed to take it to the mechanics for expensive repair.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Just fix the surging problem on this lawn mower.
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is. Will be happy to assist you. Check to see if you are getting a steady and continuous flow of fuel from your fuel tank to your carburetor. Remove your fuel hose from your carburetor and place it into a suitable container to catch your fuel. Turn your key to start position as you observe your fuel flow. Surging usually occurs when your carburetor is starving for fuel. Therefore, if you are getting fuel to your carburetor, but the surging still exists, it is very likely that your carburetor needs some additional cleaning. You may also consider replacing your carburetor with a new carburetor. eBay has very reasonably priced need carburetors. You and I can continue from here. Thanks again.
Thanks very much, Donald.
You are very welcome. Thank you again for choosing JustAnswer. If you need additional assistance, please feel free to let me know, and I will be happy to continue working with you until our problem is resolved. There is a link in your email that you can click on, if or when you need to return to our discussion page. My goal is to always offer total satisfaction.
Hi, Donald. In view of we are servicing the seniors in the community as a volunteer and require the lawn mowers to serve them. Therefore, we'll try best to save the cost as much as possible. Meantime, we'll follow your instruction to make the lawn mower back to normal. Many thanks again, Donald.
Awesome. I applaud you for offering your assistance. You are doing a great deed. Carburetor info, click here. The information in the link above may be helpful to you.
We are situated in Vancouver, Canada, and normally the lawnmower parts are originated from States. However, the mailing cost is extremely expensive. Thus, we will repair it instead of buy the parts from US.
I truly understand. International shipping costs can be extreme.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.